What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to GCP Trading. Ralphdatrader here, back again with another video. In today's video, I want to go over pound USD that happened during the London session, and also showing you guys how you can utilize the 5-minute time frame for a better entry. All right, so let's get right to it. So as you guys can see here, on Friday when the market opened up, all right, during our Asian session, all right, we can see that price was just accumulating. Then it came down and dropped below our previous day's low. All right. So this is a telltale sign. This is what we're looking for. All right. For a buy low setup. If the setup presents itself. Okay. During the Asian session, the market proceeds to pull right back up to our previous day's low. Gives us an engulfing. All right. It's probably on the 5-minute time frame if you trade. Um, if you trade the Asian session, probably on a lower time frame, you could have had your uh little scalp here. All right, but I don't trade this session, so that's that. But as you guys can see, price stayed below our previous day's low, which is this green tracer here, and we're also inside of our 100 pip box at the buy area. All right, so here's the 100 pip box. From there to there is our 100 pip box. All right, and you can see that we're accumulating. All right, accumulating, consolidating, whichever term you like to use. We're accumulating inside this 25 pip zone. All right, we're accumulating inside this 25 pip zone. Now, for my London session traders, what do we do? Before the Europe London window opens up, where's our high? Where's our low? We mark up our high and we mark up our low. All right, so this is our low of the day and also our Asian session low. Okay. Market proceeds to go 1, 2, 3, taking out the Asian session and low of the day. All right. Closing below our 100 pip box. All right. So we know if price goes 25 to 50 pips outside the 100 pip box and break back inside, then we know we have a false break reversal. All right. So, but what do? We wait to see what's going to happen at the equity hour. All right. So as you can see with these candles, this is a good sign going into the equity hour that sellers are losing momentum. Look at the wicks. Pay attention to the wicks. Okay. Sellers are losing momentum. Equity hour opens up, give us a bearish engulfing, but you can see it still stopped in the vicinity of where these wicks are. All right. Next candle open up, and this is on a 15-minute time frame. We're on the M15. All right. 10:15, we get a pin hammer. Telltale sign that we're reversing. All right. Pin hammer. Okay. This is a telltale sign that we're going to reverse. We got a pin hammer at the low. All right. This pin hammer puts in a new low. This is a new low of the day right here. So we have a new low pin hammer. Now, if you're using the M15, okay, you can take an entry here or you can wait until that that third hour. Because like Stacy said, the trades typically happen within that third hour. So this is our 3 a.m. candle. All right. 3:15, 3:30, 3:45. Here's our new third hour. All right. So you could have entered on the M15, you could have entered in here, or you could have just waited until price got to the numbers. All right. If you entered in, me, typically if I'm using the M15, I would like to see how far it pulls back. And then I would like to take an entry. So if you were just to put a horizontal line, all right, to cover all these wicks, you could have taken an entry once price got down here, or you could just wait until price hit the numbers. All right, because we like to get in at the numbers or below the numbers. Okay, if we're going for a buy, we want to get in at the numbers or before the numbers. Okay, so you could have gotten in before the numbers on the M15 here. You could have taken an entry, right? Could have had your 10 pip stop or 8 pip stop right at this low. Because if price was to come back to this low, then we know it's not going to go. All right. Now, if you want to use the utilizing the 5-minute entry criteria, all right, you can see The price pulled back up. We're outside of the 25 pip box. All right. And this was the equity hour. Let's just double check. Okay. No, equity hour. This was our equity hour candle. All right. As you can see, the market continued to come down lower. So this was that pin hammer putting in that low, gave you the engulfing. All right. Gave you an engulfing. Next candle. All right. You could have had taken an entry right after this engulfing. Okay. You could have taken an entry here or waited on the pullback to see how far it pulls back. Taking an entry here. Okay. You could have taken an entry here because you got the engulfing here, taking an entry there. All right. Then you would have dealt with, you'd still just been waiting. All right. Until you went into profit, but you could have taken an entry there, set your stop, and let the trade play out, or you could have just waited, like I said, and you can get in at the numbers. All right, get in at the numbers, set your stop. Okay, set your stop loss below that low, 17 pip stop. All right, and you had your 50 pip target, man. So wherever you entered in at, now if you had the 20 EMA on here, like Stacy says in the playbook, then you want to wait till price closes back inside that 20 EMA, which this counter here would close inside of the 20 EMA, and you could have had taken an entry right here at the low of the day. So if you throw a 20 EMA on it, which I don't use, but just to show you guys an example, all right, if you were to put the 20 EMA on there, if you was to put the 20 EMA on it, like he has in the playbook, you want to wait till price closes inside of the 20 EMA. All right, so you got a nice bullish close here inside of the 20 EMA. Like I said, you got an entry here, but I don't use the 20 EMA. All right, so because I just read the candlesticks, and there you will have it. If you're utilizing the 15-minute time frame, but like I said, you had an entry here, you could get an entry here, or you could get an entry here. So you can place 3 entries if you want. Take an entry after this engulfing, have you another entry at the numbers, and then take you another entry here. And you can see that the trade, you would have got your 50 pips easy. And if you're a pattern reader, then you can see you had an inverted head and shoulders. Left shoulders, head, right shoulder. All right. Tweezer bottom. Voila, trade gone. So that is how you can use the 5-minute entry criteria that SB talks about. That's in the playbook. All right, so if this video was helpful for you guys, man, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. And like always, work hard, stay disciplined, and be patient. Your time will come. And be the reason someone smiles today. Be the reason someone smiles today. Peace and love. Have a good one, family.